Bitcoin and Ethereum price prediction. On Bitcoin, an inevitable drop from this very area of important resistance coming to the market, and right from this area, we are seeing little rejection from the bulls and the bears at this very point of support. And what are we expecting in the market right now? Is the market still going to dump a little bit? Because if we see this dump in the market, that means 90% of all crypto is going to dump with it all the way to the downside on the Bitcoin chart. And also Ethereum is also going to dump as well. All of this in this video. Pay attention and watch this video all the way to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about crypto, day trading and investing strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. On Bitcoin, I talk about an inevitable drop from this very area of important resistance, and that is exact same thing we are seeing right now. Market is coming back down. But the most important thing at the moment is the fact that market is maintaining this very descending channel. See market moving all the way from here. We have resistance at this very point, and market is coming back down gradually. And then we have this very drop, which was a rejection. Market is coming back down gradually as well. See market creating lows at this very point, coming back to the downside. And what I am expecting right now is for market to continue this movement downward, in as much as we see a little rejection yesterday from this very area of support. This very support is acting very strong, but market is going to break it. This is my personal opinion. From here, rejection, bulls did not take over, but bears are still in the market at this very point of important support. What I am expecting is for the market to continue from here to the downside, which is very, very important at the moment. So from here, still expect the market to come back down a little bit. I am not expecting the market to come back down and create a new low below this very spike of $49,000 and $48,000. That is possible, but that is not my expectation right now. The reason is because the bears are getting weak, taking control of the market all the way to the downside. And what we are seeing a little push from the bulls at this very area to the upside. What I am expecting right now is a little decline from here to the downside, not coming into this very area of $49,000 and $48,000, this very drop where we see this spike in the past. So a little drop to the downside is required before the market is going to move all the way to the upside. Especially market should remain within this very channel. Okay, market should not go below this very level of important support at this very point of $53,000. The possibility of market breaking here exists, and if we see that, then that means we have a long way to go for market to recover. What I'm trying to say is, if we see the market come back from here all the way to the downside and create a new close lower than the previous close at this very point right here, then that means we have to see the market move upward and then have a fail swing before the next move to the upside. But if we don't see this scenario play out and the market did not go below this very level of important support, then we should expect the market to come back down a little bit, not creating a new close, and then begin to move upward gradually from this area before we see the market begin to pump upward. And we don't expect the market to move aggressively upward as the market is recovering. And the reason is because September is not a very, very nice month for crypto. Market is still going to move upward, but we should look for reduced momentum from the bears so that the bulls can take control of the market gradually from this area to the upside. And the market needs to break this level of important resistance for us to know that the market has fully recovered, and that next big pump is about to happen in the market. This very level of resistance right here is very, very important. Between the level of 68 and 69 to $70,000, this very area is very, very important for the market to move upward. So when market begin to move upward gradually, and then we see a breakout of this very area, then it is certain that that very aggressive pump is about to come into the market, and this will not take months anymore. So the most important thing on the chart right now is this very movement coming into the market at the moment. Market is still going to move downward. Expect the market to come back to the downside from where it is right now at this very area of support on Bitcoin. And if we see this coming back down, definitely every other crypto coin or token is going to come back down as well. So pay attention to shorting the market on futures instead of buying the market at the moment. And if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, you discover that the market is coming back down with this very aggressive momentum from the bears. And what this means is that market have high capacity of moving from here to the downside than moving upward. So pay attention to market coming back to the downside. And if you look at the way the orange line and the blue line extend from each other, it is having a lot of momentum right here, which means market have capacity of moving all the way to the downside. And what this also means is that market is already very, very close as well to the oversold condition, which means market could drop, but not an aggressive move, but that drop is very, very certain. And this is what I am expecting as well in the market. So pay attention to this. If you are a futures trader, look for sell opportunity and not to buy the market. Ethereum USDT 1-day chart, the same thing. Market is going to come back down and create a new low. I am expecting Ethereum to create a new close because the market did not really go well when we see this very retracement. Look at it here. From this very area, we see a very nice looking chart. If you draw this very trend line, from this very area, we have a very critical level of resistance at this very point. And then we have another resistance trend line that you can see draw on this chart from this very point, from here up to this very area, and then you draw it right down. This resistance is also a very important one, and then we can draw another one to make it a channel formation from this very area all the way to this very point. Okay, it's to the downside in this formation. So market is coming back down. So two important resistance market need to break on Ethereum is number one, this very one right here, which is a parallel resistance, and also this very area right here as well, which is another resistance in the market that market need to break. And regardless of these two resistance, markets on the immediate short term have to come back to the downside as we speak right now. So from this very area, pay attention to this very channel, okay, this very one and this very area right here. These are two important channels that you need to pay attention to right now. What I am expecting on the immediate short term on Ethereum is for the market to move from here downward, okay, creating a new close, and then from this very area, we should see the market come upward before the next continuation again to the downside, because this very level of support resistance should obey the market for the market to come back to the downside. And this is what you need to pay attention to. And looking at the stochastic RSI indicator, the same thing, market is just coming out of overbought condition and extended a little bit below the 50% line at this very area, which means market still have strength to come back downward. That means it is also very, very nice for you to look for sell or short opportunity on futures. This is what you need to pay attention to right now on the 1-day chart ETH USDT. Pay attention to this market come back down before the next move upward. This is very important right now for all of us as traders. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.